welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica. And we did from Mandeville town as always. Now today we're going to be a teenager for a day. We're going to go to all of the hot spots in Mandeville. And the first spot is called the Hot Spot Cafe. Sip, bite, browse. So let's check it out. You ready?
So let's start right now. So this cafe can be found on Bankhouse Mall, Uptown Mandeville. I think Super Plus Center bought this plaza, and so it's now called Super Plus Center. So the cafe is upstairs. It's a nice little walk, passing by all the shops to get to the cafe. And as soon as you step inside the cafe, you're hit with that nice smell of coffee, the drinks that they make. This is the entrance of the cafe. So that is where they make all the food and the drinks. And then they have a section where you can take passport pictures. And then they have another section, this section, where they sell like electronics, computers, gadgets. Now back to this side of the cafe, now you have a little seating area where you can munch on the food that you buy or the drinks. And you can also do some work. You can have an interview, you can have a meeting, you can do homework, you can do research, and a nice little desk space. So you can go on a little date, a coffee break. Nice. And then they have this little laptop where if you need to print something or you need to use the internet, you pay and you use it. So let's look at the menu and see what we're going to order.
This is the menu. Iced latte, iced coffee for $300. Come on, that's reasonable. Matcha in Mandeville. Come on, that's so trendy right now with the matcha teas. Iced chai. Yo. But there's only one thing I want to try now, is the boba.
So we actually had to visit the cafe 2 times to try out the boba tea, because on the first try the boba tea ran out. She said it finished, didn't have none. So we ordered this green matcha latte and this peanut butter chocolate milkshake. So keep watching because we're going to come back to this cafe a second time in this video. So they made our drinks in like record time. It was really fast, less than 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and try our drinks.
Yum, this tastes healthy. This feels like I could do some schoolwork. Understand? This is the winner.
Try that one, sir. You like it?
So let's break this down, the flavor and all. When it comes to the matcha tea, it's really like a healthy green tea with milk. So if you want something healthy and tastes relatively good, go ahead and order that. But if you want something that tastes really good and is indulgent and delicious, this chocolate peanut butter milkshake is the bomb. It tastes like a Snickers bar in a milkshake, and who wouldn't love that? I mean, alright, so we went back the second time now for the boba tea. Thank God it was there. Hallelujah. So we ordered, and of course it was done in record time, fast again. So let's go and try this finally. So the cafe has 2 flavors for your boba tea. You can get it in pistachio or taro. And we took the taro flavor. Taro basically is a purple tuber, purple potato that they make into a creamy, milky tea. Something like that. Please comment below if you know what I'm talking about better than me.
Okay, so let's go this piece of jar. Boba tea tapioca pearls at the base. It's really nice. This is good. Tapioca pearls. So nice. My baby wants to try it. Sure. Oh my gosh, the taro flavor. It tastes so good. Oh my god. It's creamy. It's creamy. They give it, I don't know what kind of flavor it is. It's like a sweet vanilla flavor. And the tapioca pearls just add this nice, unique little thing. I'm gonna tell you a bit of sugar. I want a better effect. It's a little grain of sugar in the base. I've had tapioca pearls already from a cafe in Kingston. And for a cafe in Mandeville for reasonable, this is very reasonable. This is really good. So everybody, the little one loves it. Yeah. Oh my god. If you're wondering how the tapioca pearl tastes, it's like little gummy balls, gummy bear balls, and you chew into it. Delicious. Come out and order. How much? From $6.50? Reasonable. Man, cheers. I love this.
So if you're basically wondering what this drink is all about, it is a creamy milky tea with some tapioca pearls at the base. And what are the tapioca pearls? It is made from cassava root, so it's chewy and gummy. So it gives you that textural difference. You're drinking some tea and then you're slipping a nice little balls in your mouth and you chew it and you're like, nice, different, gooey. And I know that sounds weird, but it is what it is.
Stay tuned. The next episode we're going to go to this game shop where it is a virtual reality game in Mandeville. So, hey, no things are gone. Thanks for watching. Bye!